line out converter install on a Ram Alpine system. Green is your positive, gray is your negative. So blue is the positive, black would be the negative. So I hardwired these wires together, ran it all the way through to the LC2i. So I tapped it into the positive, and then I tapped it into the negative. And then for the power and ground, I just added on with the amplifier. As you can see right there. Yep, and yeah, this thing bumps. I have a Alpine Type R 10-inch with a 3 1/4 spacer. Let me know if you got any questions.